Bonjour! Today we are going to look at a new chapter. And the title of this chapter is Au boulot. Au boulot. It means at work. We are going to look at the dialogue entitled Un entretien. Un entretien. It means an interview. Okay. It is an interview between two persons, Gabriel and Jean. One is an interviewee and one is an interviewer. So now, firstly, we're going to look at the fiche d'état civil. Fiche d'état civil. Okay, what is fiche d'état civil? It is a civil status card. Now, firstly, you have nom. Nom is family name. And here you have Yves. Next you have prénom. Prénom. Prénom is the first name. And the first name of this person is Jean. Next you have nationalité. Alright, normally in a nationality you put the nationality in a feminine form. Here should have an E. A letter E is missing here. So you should put Française, okay, with a letter E. Alright. Doesn't matter if the person is male or female, but for a form like this, a document like this, whenever you put nationality, you have to put in a feminine form. Alright, that's a mistake here. Next, you have date de naissance. Date de naissance, it means birth, date of birth. And here it is le 29 avril 1993. Alright? Le 29 avril 1993. And you have âge here. Okay, âge means age. And it is 21 ans. 21 years old. Well, this year is 2020, and when the book is written, he is 21 years old. So that's why we put here 21 ans, right? We're not going to make any modification. All right, next you have situation de famille. Situation de famille. It means family status, and he is célibataire. He is single. Célibataire means single. And if you are married, you use marié. M-A-R-I-E for male and M-A-R-I-E-E for female. Now, next you have langue maternelle. Langue maternelle, it means mother tongue. And this person's mother tongue is French. That's why it's written Française. Okay, that is the fiche d'état civil. Now, let's look at the dialogue between this person. Now, you have here M. Gabriel. M here stands for Monsieur. So, Monsieur Gabriel. Monsieur Yves, je vois sur votre CV. Pourriez-vous me dire de plus sur vous? Je suis français. J'ai 21 ans. Je parle français et anglais. Vous avez un diplôme? Oui, j'ai une licence de gestion. Notre entreprise est une entreprise multinationale. Vous avez l'expérience dans l'informatique? Oui, je fais un stage de l'informatique chez Microsoft. Vous avez un permis de conduire? Non. Vous allez voyager beaucoup. Alors, il faut avoir un permis de conduire. Now, let's look at the meaning. Okay, you have here, Monsieur Yves, je vois sur votre CV. It means, Mr. Yves, I see from your CV or resume. Alright? So, CV can be translated to CV or resume. Pourriez-vous me dire de plus sur vous? Could you tell me more about yourself? Okay. Je suis français. I am French. J'ai 21 ans. I am 21 years old. Je parle français et anglais. I speak French and English, obviously. Okay. Vous avez un diplôme? Do you have a paper qualification? Okay, here you have the word diploma. Diploma, if you look up at the Google Translate, it will give you diploma, but here it's not diploma, it is the paper qualification. All right. So in France, actually, when you have a diploma, when you have a paper qualification, it is diploma at any level. Now, oui, j'ai une licence de gestion. Ouais, licence here is not license, but it is a qualification. And license is one level of qualification under masters. So he said, yes, I have a management qualification and it's called licence. Now, notre entreprise est une entreprise multinationale. Vous avez l'expérience dans l'informatique? Our company is a multinational company. Do you have experience in IT? L'informatique is IT. Oui, je fais un stage de l'informatique chez Microsoft. Yes, I do an IT internship at Microsoft. So IT is informatique and internship is un stage. Vous avez un permis de conduire? Do you have a driving license? So, un permis de conduire is driving license. Non, he said. Vous allez voyager beaucoup. You are going to travel a lot. So here, this sentence, it is in future posh. We have seen it previously in other semester. We're going to look at it again in the grammar chapter. So next you have the last sentence. Alors, il faut avoir un permis de conduire. So, you must have a driving license. The expression il faut avoir is another common expression in French. We are going to look at it also in the grammar chapter. So that's all for today. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.